Hello and welcome back. Today we have 1716 calculate money in Leetcode Bank. In this problem, we have a user, Hersey, who wants to save money for his first car. He puts money in the Leetcode Bank every day. The first Monday, he puts in $1, and every day onwards, he adds $1 more than the day before. Then, on every subsequent Monday, he will put in $1 more than the previous Monday. Then, given n, which is the total number of days he has to save up for his first car, return the total amount of money he can have in his bank at the end of the end day. So, if we look at a calendar, it's basically saying Hersey will start by saving $1 on the, this was not a good calendar, $1 on the first Monday, and then 2 on the second Monday, 3, 4, it goes on, and many more weeks. And then every subsequent day, he adds $1 more than the previous day. So 1 plus 1, that's 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then in the next week, instead of adding 1 to the previous day, instead we add it to the previous Monday. So instead of adding 1 to 7 to be 8, we add 1 more to the last Monday. So we add 2. And then from here, we add the 3, 4, 5, 6. So this first week, we start with 20 days. Once we process the entire week, we have 13 days remaining. Once we process this week, we have 6 days remaining. So if we have 6 days remaining, that means we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and nothing for the 7th day. Then if we subtract what would be a full week's worth, let's say 7, we basically end up with no more days to process. Okay, so then what is the total? We can get the total by summing the range between first week is 1 to 7, so 1 to 7 plus 1, that's 8. Since it's non-inclusive, so this is going to be 28. Then sum from 2 to 8 would be 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. This is 35. And then sum from 3 to 8 is 3 to 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 33. So here we have 33, and then if we sum those up, which is 28 plus 35 plus 33, we have 96, and that's also what we get here. And they do illustrate this well. I thought the calendar might help a bit to visualize that every week gets 1 incremented from the previous week, and every day for that week gets 1 incremented from the previous day. Okay? Then if we translate what we did here into code, basically what did we do? We had some total that we were tracking, and we're gonna get the total per week, and we had some number of days, which is n. I'll call it days just so it's easier to understand what it is. And we also keep track of what week we're on. First week being 1, every subsequent week being 1 added to the previous week. Okay? And we say, what do we care about? We care about as long as we have some days remaining. So while days is greater than 0, we process that week, which will be for a day in range of the minimum of whatever days we have remaining, and that's just in case we have 6 days remaining instead of 7 being the whole week. But if you only have 6 days remaining, we only want to add for the 6 days. So minimum of days, or 7 being representing the full week, we will add to total whatever is the week we're on plus whatever is the day we're on. So the nth week plus the nth day is what we add to the total. And once we do that, we say, okay, we process this week. So let's increment our week, but also make sure to decrement from our total days remaining. So a full week is 7. And in case this week has less than 7 days, that's okay, because days will no longer be greater than 0, and we will exit out of the while loop anyways. And at the end, we return total and submit. And there you have it. This was 1716 Calculate Money in Leetcode Bank, where we have a user that's saving $1 more than the previous week every Monday, and $1 more than the previous day for every day of that week, for each week. This is running in linear time. We're visiting each day at most once, and we're using constant variables, so constant space. And yeah, time is O of M, space is O of 1. And there you have it. Thanks so much. Happy coding. Hope to see you next time.